Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We're very grateful to see you right here, and today we're gonna be talking about very interesting coin that one of our awesome viewers advised us to look at, and it looks very interesting and it looks like there's a lot of upside to that coin. So let's jump and take a look at it. So the coin is BetProtocol, which seems very interesting. I don't know much about this coin, so if you have more information, please feel free to share. But from what I see on the chart, it looks like we have a very interesting pattern playing out right now. As you see, we've been at some highs here, and since we were going down, we hit the bottom, we went up, hit the bottom second time, and we're going up. So it does seems like a pattern of a double bottom, which looks very nicely playing out right now, and we're starting our uptrend. So let's go a little bit deeper. I'm on the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. So I did put some supports and resistance here for you guys. If you can take a look at it right, and you can put it on your chart as well to look after that. Okay, so we see we have very nice uptrend. We are sitting on the 21 exponential moving average, and we keep bouncing off it and continue up. So let's put a quick trend line that we should be following while we going with our upside. So if you are going to be looking to get into this coin, I would probably looking for it to again kind of bounce from this line and from the 21 exponential moving average for continuation. And please make sure you always put in a stop loss. It looks like with this coin, you see the wicks are pretty big, so it's a little bit explosive. So you want to be putting a lot lower. If you're looking to be entering somewhere on this trend line, you probably have to be putting about 15% stop loss if you don't want it to get hit. But as we see, it's very nicely jumping on it and look like it started the uptrend. If it does break in the 21 exponential moving average on the 1 hour chart, then the next one you would want to be looking, it's at the 4 hour time frame. So at the 4 hour time frame, we see that we a little bit run away from the 21 exponential moving average. So we want to kind of see it's coming back a little bit and continue. That's why I'm saying you should be putting a pretty high stop loss. Let's see, yeah, about 15% below. So if it does coming back to the moving average after your entry, that it will have some room for dip and for continuation. Okay, and as we see, we have a pretty strong support here. We didn't came to this support at this point, but we do have some resistance here. We've seen some resistance here. So, and now the 200 moving average kind of stopped us out and went back down a little bit, probably to kind of come back to the trend line and come closer to our moving average. So this is the next point to see if we can break it up. So there's two ways to play it out. If you want to wait for a little bit pullback and get an entry, or see if we can actually break this resistance level and kind of come back and retest it. So it will look something like that. So if we're gonna continue from here, we're gonna go above it, retest it, and continue going up. And then you can enter, but make sure that it's not breaking down, because then it's not a very good continuation of the trend. Yeah, and make sure to look after the moving averages, because as soon as we're gonna go below them, if you can see when we were on the downtrend, we were going down, always keep coming testing the 21 exponential moving average. Here again, we went farther from it, we came test it, went farther, test it, went farther, test it, until we start changing. Here we did a little bit sideways, and now we start changing our trajectory, going to the upside. So yeah, looks very interesting. Again, these are some points that you should be looking at, and probably if you enter, maybe take a little bit profit at the time as we're going up. And again, try to enter, don't put all of your money there, try to have few entries. Let's say if you'll be looking at the trend line to enter, make one entry. If we're gonna push below the moving average, make another entry, and maybe just put another entry here somewhere at the bottom in case it will reach there, if you want to play it out this way, and then see if it goes up. Or you can just do one entry and put a stop loss under in case we are suddenly falling down. Yeah, so that's looking pretty interesting how much upside we have from this. It seems like it was the all-time high since the coin came out here on December 19. If we're gonna be entering somewhere here, we still have about 150% to make, which is pretty nice. And again, it looks like a very nice double bottom, and we're gonna continue going up. So again, thank you so much for our awesome viewer that shared this coin with us. I'm definitely gonna be following it. I see some places that you can be purchased this coin if you are interested. There's some on KuCoin and on BitMEX. It looks like Uniswap you can only do with Ethereum, and Bilaxi, yeah, you can do with USD, and with KuCoin also with USDT. So yeah, these are some places you can take a look at that coin. And again, this is nothing here is financial advice. That's just something that I'm doing. That's the things that I would be looking how to enter, how to exit. Yeah, and that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining us. Again, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking it or disliking it, however you feel, that's fine. And we're gonna see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Adios.